shi boom, shi boom, 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 boom. Boom, shi boom, shi boom, 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 boom. Explore the jungle, swing from vines, climb a mountain, run with lions, secret tunnels and ancient ruins. Don't you worry, we'll be there soon. Fantastic, that's what you say when you're having a thumping day. Fantastic, hip hip hooray, get ready for a thumping day. Boom, shi boom, shi boom, 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 boom. Boom, shi boom, shi boom, 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 boom. Ears are flapping out, don't be late. We've got no memories to make. Adventure calling from near and far in the kingdom of King Babar. Fantastic, that's what you say when you're having a thumping day. Fantastic, hip hip hooray, get ready for a thumping day. Boom, shi boom, shi boom, 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 boom.
Ready, Boo? This is for the game. Take your best shot, Zawadi.
Nice save.
Sorry, Papi.
No problem, Badou. My Marin Roses are pretty tough characters.
Did you know that the Marin Rose is also called the dancing rose because of the way it sways in the wind?
That's true, Zawadi. And with these roses, a single leaf can grow into a new plant. Imagine a whole garden raised from this little cutting.
I think I'll stick to playing kicker ball. Thanks, Pappy.
What you thinking about, Boo?
I want to do something to make up for ruining Pappy's garden.
You know, the best gift you can give to a gardener is something to plant in his garden.
But he's already got flowers.
He doesn't have a stone sun blossom. They're really hard to find.
Are you going to take a picture of every plant we see?
Only the ones I don't have in my scrapbook. Aren't these smell bells pretty? When they bloom, you can't smell anything else.
Kind of like my dad when he takes off his shoes. Come on, or we'll never find Pappy's flower.
We have to get to the other side.
So, Zawadi, you really don't think plants are, kind of boring?
Boring?
I mean, they look pretty and smell nice, but they don't really do anything.
Plants do all kinds of cool stuff.
Cool stuff like what?
Like this. Want a snack?
No way! Those are sunny berries. If you eat them, they give you a real tummy twist.
So these berries found a way not to get eaten. Isn't that kind of cool?
You think the berries are protecting themselves?
Roses have thorns, cactuses have quills, some plants grow...
Ow! Spikes!
Yeah, spikes too.
No, I stepped on a spiky nut.
Boo, that's a jungle bumblevine.
So?
Bees!
Ah!
That's you! When you stepped on the vine, you squished out the sap. Bees come for the sap every time. Kinda cool, huh?
Yeah, kinda. Is this where we'll find the stone sun blossoms?
Maybe. They grow out of cracks in the rocks.
Then how come they're not called rock sun blossoms?
'Cause the gardener who first discovered them found them growing in a stone wall.
Hey, that's...
Kinda cool, right? But I don't see any blossoms here.
I think I know where we might find some. Come on. I've seen some ruins in there. I bet we'll find some there.
I don't know, Boo. We're supposed to stay out of the deep jungle.
If we find them, you could get a picture for your scrapbook.
I guess a quick peek wouldn't hurt.
Come on, let's go. Huh? Hey, those are, Marin roses, right? Like the ones my Papi grows.
Uh-huh. See how they dance in the wind?
Cool. Except there is no wind.
You know, Boo, I don't see any stone sun blossoms. Maybe we should...
Hey, wait! Is that one there?
I don't know, it might be.
Come on.
Just a quick peek, remember? A very fast quick peek. Hey, it is a sun blossom.
It's beautiful. Pappy will love it. But won't digging it up hurt it?
It's called transplanting. We gotta be real careful.
I know. Maybe we could...
Let me get a few shots of it growing wild first. Say cheese blossom.
Cheese blossom!
Now me.
Sleek.
Tame towners, how dare you come here?
We'll go. Ah! That should fool her. This way.
Clever children.
Watch your step, Boo! Spiking at trees!
That gives me an idea.
There you are. Ooh, ow! Ouch! Ow!
Zawadi, did you smell that? Smell bells, right? You said when they bloom, that's all you can smell. If we cut through here and out the other side...
Sleek won't be able to track our scent.
Oops. Bad idea. No way out.
It's working. She can't track us.
This is the only way out, little tame towners. You'll have to show yourselves eventually.
What are we gonna do, Boo?
Swati, check it out.
Jungle bumble vines. So?
So, I've got a plan.
Smelled the sap.
It worked. Kinda cool. Let's get home fast before she comes back.
A stone sun blossom. Magnificent. But you say you took these where?
At a ruin in the deep jungle. Sorry, Pappy. It was my idea.
But I went along with it.
You children know better. What possessed you to go out there?
I wanted to get you a sun blossom for your garden.
Yeah, but all we got were these pictures.
I'm just glad nothing happened to you.
Hang on. We came back with more than just pictures. I took these. Look.
Sun blossom leaves.
You said you could grow whole new plants from a leaf, right?
Yes, Badou. You can with some plants. Like the stone sun blossom.
You know, Pappy, I can kind of see why you and Zawadi love flowers so much. They're more than just kind of cool. They're really tusk-tastic.
They helped us get away from Sleek.
Yeah, she sure wanted us away from that old ruin.
Oh, I think I know why. Look closely at this photo.
Look at that pile of leaves and grass. Like a bed.
We weren't just searching an empty old ruin.
We broke into Sleek's home.
I wonder if she picked this spot because of all the flowers growing there.
Maybe Sleek likes flowers too.
I wouldn't be surprised. Now, who wants to help me get that rock garden started?
And then King Babar searched for the most beautiful spot in the jungle. He found it here, on the shores of Big Lake. Working together, the animals built a city so pretty that King Babar named it after his bride, Celeste. And that's how Celesteville got its name.
Wow.
Oh, Zawadi, do you have a question?
It's something in my book. A long time ago, the Crocs tried to flood this land. And we zebras stopped them.
Zebras stopped crocodiles?
Yep. Admiral Zebrato led the great charge with a terrifying cry of...
Oh, my!
Scary.
Yeah. Well, it says a few Crocs stuck around to talk peace, but most ran in fear.
Zawadi, is that the Zebra Book of Stripes?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, children! The Book of Stripes contains the entire history of Zawadi's herd. The book has been passed down from admiral to admiral for 100 years. I'm surprised your father let you borrow it.
Well, I told him I had a big history presentation tomorrow.
Stone-baked grubs with toad drool dressing. Anybody want a bite?
Jake, you're getting toad drool on my book. That's my great-great-great-great-granny, Admiral Zebrato. Don't you think I look like her?
I can't tell the difference. But then again, why would I try?
Hey, Delash, did you know that my way-great-granny once chased you Crocs all the way back to the slogs?
A grandma zebra chased away crocodiles? That's funny.
Think so? And the battle cry of the zebras so terrified the crocodiles that they ran in fear.
This book is lying. Give it to me.
Stop! Stop it!
Let go, Delash!
Nothing scares us crocs, especially not zebras. I don't care what it says in that book.
Hello, Badou. How did your history presentation go?
It was très bien indeed.
Tomorrow Zawadi's gonna talk about the great zebra charge from the Book of Stripes.
You have the Book of Stripes here? May I see it?
Of course, Your Majesty. It's gone! My book, it's...
Gone? The Book of Stripes? Oh, no! Oh,
Did you move the book?
honestly.
Perhaps take it somewhere else?
You had it over by the pond.
But I kept it with me the whole time.
Why?
There's no sign of it, Pappy.
Gone!
Oh, no.
I'll have the guards make a search. I know how I'd feel if my memory book was missing.
But it never left me. Not even when... Delash! He tried to take the book at lunch. I bet he snuck back and stole it.
Be careful not to make snap judgments, Zawadi. Accusing someone of stealing is serious.
But you don't understand. I just gotta get that book back.
Don't worry, Zawadi. We'll find it.
You don't get it, Boo. I kind of borrowed the book without asking my dad.
Zawadi, we have to tell my Pappy.
Not until we find it. Please, Boo. I can't be forever known as the zebra who lost her stripes.
Well, there might be a fast way to find the book. Remember Jake spilled toad drool dressing on it? Jake, could you sniff it out?
Sure.
This is a weird place for somebody to bring a book.
Stand back, guys. I'm gonna teach Delash that it isn't smart to make a zebra mad.
Zawadi, wait! That was the royal chef.
The chef made my sandwich today. Stinkies. I was tracking the toad drool spilled on him.
Jake!
I don't think the book is in the palace, guys. There's not a sniff or whiff of it.
But can you still track it to wherever Delash did take it?
If Delash took it.
Zebras versus crocs, Boo. Just like what it says in the book. That croc messed with the wrong Z. Lead on, Jake.
Guys, there!
Hey!
Zawadi, wait!
Huh?
Zawadi!
Yeah! What is this yuck?
Yum! Toad drool dressing!
Shipped in special for the royal chef.
Sorry, Captain.
Jake, you have to track my book and lead us to Delash.
Okay, found him.
No, hang on, Zawadi. We still don't have any proof that...
Give it back, Delash.
Huh?
I know you stole my book.
I did not.
Did too.
Did you have the book after I left? Because I've been here ever since.
That's true, miss. This young fella's been here annoying me all afternoon.
She accused me of stealing. She attacked me with her honks. I'm gonna have nightmares now.
Sorry.
I can't hear you.
I'm sorry.
You know, a foot rub might help me recover faster.
She said she was sorry, Delash.
Come on, Tersh. Let's go get me a couple of spinkweed smoothies.
I lost it, Boo. I lost the Book of Stripes.
We better tell my Pappy now.
You children should have told me right away.
Sorry, Pappy.
I asked Badou not to say anything, Your Majesty. The stories in the book were just so neat. I didn't want to put it down.
Did the guards find anything, Pappy?
They've searched everywhere. There is no sign of the book.
Nits and gnats. It had to be grabbed by someone who can come and go without looking out of place.
Gee, Zawadi, I hope your dad doesn't decide to charge Celesteville.
Ha! Jake, that's a tastic idea.
To answer your question,
Eyes front, trunk straight. Call out when you see the white of their stripes.
What's going on? The zebras have learned about the theft of their book. Oh, they're preparing to charge Celesteville.
no way. The zebras?
The book is very important, Delash. Unless someone puts it back exactly where it was stolen from, well...
You heard the prince. Trunks front, eyes straight.
Do you think this will work? Somebody's coming. Look at that tail. It is Delash. Tersh?
Please, Zawadi, I'm sorry. Tell the zebras not to charge, okay?
Why did you take my book? How did you even know about it?
Delash couldn't stop talking about it. He was so mad. But all those stories, the book sounded really neat.
He sounds like you, Zawadi.
The zebras gathered by the hundreds. Oh, and I liked the part about General Thankfoot. He stood proud as the zebras charged toward him.
I'd have shown you the book if you'd asked, you know.
I didn't want to make Delash more mad. He doesn't like to hear that some of the crocs got scared and ran away.
It says here that after the charge, some of the crocs stuck around to talk to the zebras, to make peace.
Do you think we could do that, Zawadi? Admiral Zebrato, I am General Fangfoot. It is time we made peace.
You are very brave, General. Peace there will be.
Hurrah! Bravo!
Ha! I knew they weren't all scaredy crocs.
I think I'll go with you to return the book to your father.
Thank you. I shouldn't have taken it without permission.
Ha! I knew that silly sound didn't scare all of us. Crocs are mean, green, biting machines.
Walk, walk!